Hi everyone. To be able to find the exact value of tan 105 degrees, we will need the following standard results of angles 60 degrees and angles 45 degrees. Now, let's start with angle 60 degrees. This will be established using this right angle triangle. And then angle 45 degrees will also be established using this other right angle triangle. Okay, if this is angle 30, then automatically this one is 60 degrees. If this is angle 45, automatically this one is also angle 45 degrees. Now the key that I always tell my students for this is if we can remember that sine 30 degrees is a half. If we can remember this, then we'll be able to establish all the trigonometric ratios for angles 30 and 60 degrees without touching the calculator. We know that, excuse me, we know that sine is opposite all of our hypotenuse. So this is 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is a half opposite all of our hypotenuse. And so by the Pythagoras theorem, if we work out this one by the Pythagoras theorem, if we call this side x, therefore we'll have 2 squared plus 2 squared is equal to x squared plus 1 squared. So we'll have 4 is equal to x squared plus 1. When we subtract 1 from both sides, we have 3 is equal to x squared, and so root 3 will be equal to x. So this other side is root 3 by the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so from here we now have all the three sides, which therefore means that we can tell without using a calculator the sine, the sine, the cosine, and the tangent of angles 30 and 60 degrees without touching the calculator. Now, with the angle 45 degrees, the key is tan 45. The moment you remember that tan 45 is 1, and 1 can be written as 1 all over 1. And tangent again is opposite all over adjacent. Tangent is opposite all over adjacent. The moment you remember that, therefore, if we take any of these angles, the opposite of this one is this, and the adjacent is that. All right. So by the Pythagoras theorem, if that hypotenuse, all right, hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So hypotenuse squared is 1 plus 1. Hypotenuse squared is 2. Therefore, the hypotenuse is the square root of 2. Therefore, this third side is the square root of 2. The moment we remember that, then we now have all three sides. We will be able to say the sine, the cosine, and the tangent of angle 45 degrees without touching the calculator. Coming to our question, uh, tan 40, tan 105, tan 105 degrees is the same as, we will just break up 105 to 60 plus 45 degrees. So it is tan 60 plus 45 degrees. And we know the trigonometric identity for tan of A plus B. It is tan A plus tan B all over 1 minus tan A tan B. So our tan of 105 degrees will therefore be equal to tan of 60 plus 45, which from this identity will be tan 60 plus tan 45, all of that divided by 1 minus tan 60 tan 45. So we now look for tan 60. This is angle 60. The tangent is opposite all over adjacent. So tan 60 is root 3. So that gives us root 3 plus 45 degrees. Tan 45 is 1. So we say plus 1 all over 1 minus tan 60 again is just root 3 and tan 45 is 1. So minus root 3. So this gives us the exact value of tan 105. This is the exact value. The values that the calculators give are approximate values. We can even make an extension. If you are given, for example, tan 75 degrees, this is the same as tan 30 plus 45. Okay, and so we'll do the same thing. This will just be equal to tan 30 plus tan 45 all over 1 minus tan 30 tan 45, and we're able to come out with the exact value of tan 75 degrees. Tan 30, this is 30 degrees. Tangent is opposite all over adjacent, so it's 1 all over root 3. All right, and tan 45 is 1. So this one will just give us, let us write it somewhere up here, will just give us 1 all over root 3 plus 1 all over 1 minus 1 all over root 3. All right, so this is the result of this other additional question that I just added. All right, so tan 105 degrees worked out, the exact value is root 3 plus 1 all over 1 minus root 3.